cat's out the bag!
The cat's out the bag for real.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait me back.
Love it up, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do.
DUMENLAMG BARATUWA, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're a new subscriber, hi, my name is Mana_V. I hope you guys are doing well. I had such a lovely evening yesterday. It was Valentine's, and my friend and I's husbands, my husband was not in town, her husband was busy. So we're just like, you know what? She decided that we should go to Protege, which is like a more casual fine dining experience that is still offered by La Colombe. So that was really cute. It's morning. I'm so happy. We're actually gonna be in midterm break, so we're gonna have a little break here from waking up in the morning and going to school. We are off to, what do you call it, to waterfront. We're going to waterfront. She needs to do some shopping, still with my same friend. And I need to go source stuff from Woolies. I'm currently in my car right now. I'm parked outside her house, but I'm going to, oh, someone's running. I'm going to park my car at her house, then we can go in her car, because there's no point of going with two cars. We can go into her car. You know what, actually this is the Lord speaking. I forgot my license, so I don't have to drive. And what must happen? Yeah, we're gonna go to waterfront. Hopefully we get something to eat because I am starving. But anyway, I don't even know how to call her because my phone is not working. Oh no, child. Let me try knocking. Glam team.
My glam team snapped today.
Oh, son.
You know how people always say. Oh! Wait, let me see.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Oh, I thought your lashes were doing. Okay, close. Nice.
Oh, sana di meat and then your food. Uba meat. Cats out the bag! The cat's out the bag for real. I actually haven't said anything.
The cat's out the bag.
I have Kwashioka, guys.
You guys are dragging my hair saying she's always sick.
Look at Kwashioka.
She's always
malnutrition.
This is why she was sick in
Guys, I'm having a baby. Guys, hi guys, welcome to today, guys. I was getting ready for a the time is shocking. The time is shocking, but basically I was getting ready for a photo shoot, guys. A pregnancy for Nina.
Let's get our asses up and eat this out.
Oh my god.
Oh, you look too good.
I actually look like a cat.
You look perfect.
Guys, I actually forgot that I had this light and it's kind of helping. But anyway, we are done with the shoot. Today was so chaotic. And I feel like I haven't really talked about being pregnant. Ooh. I feel like I haven't really talked about being pregnant. But I don't think this vlog is for that. I think I will do a post on my Instagram and ask you guys to ask me questions, and then I'll do a sit-down Q&A about being pregnant. If you guys care. But I'm done. Finally finished. I'm just going to remove my makeup and do some skincare with you guys. Because I just wanted to have a little chat before ending this vlog, because one thing about me, I'm ending this vlog. I told you guys that for me to be on my game, I am going to have to give you shorter vlogs. And also, I'm so over the long vlogs, guys. I'm so over the long vlogs. Like, I don't even want to watch a vlog for an hour because I feel like TikTok ruined us. But anyway, can you believe, guys, I'm pregnant? And it's so weird, like, no one really suspected. No one mentioned it. And it could be just from you guys being very respectful. And I appreciate that, guys, because I feel like, you know what, one thing about you guys and the people that watch my vlogs and actually like love my vlogs and interact with me about my vlogs, like, you guys are not invasive. I feel like the right type of people are here, if that makes sense. Like, even when I ask Q&As, like, you guys are actually not invasive, and I really appreciate that. And you guys respect my privacy and a lot of things. So I'm actually so happy that no one asked me like, oh, like, is there a baby in the stomach, whatever. Because I don't want to lie, but anyway, guys, your girl is pregnant. As Stella said, ah, guys, I can't wait to go live with my pregnancy. Because Jesus Christ, like, I've literally been ducking and diving for like so long. If I didn't announce, I was probably gonna give birth before announcing, and I was just gonna show up with a baby. I really was just gonna show up with a baby, but anyway, guys. Also, like, guys, there is so much going on. I also am posting this in the future. So basically, the video that you're gonna see after this portion of the vlog already happened. But I just wanted to like sit down with you guys and tell you how appreciative I am of my female friends. I feel like for a long time I did not have female friends, and God said, it's okay, wait, I'm going to bless you with the most wonderful group of female friends. And God did that for me. My friends took me to the 12 Apostles in Cape Town for a massage, and just like a pampering day because I am pregnant, guys, imagine. And guys, Homozo flew all the way from Johannesburg, and like they did this beautiful thing for me. Guys, the whole thing was that I was going to meet Homozo, but that was not the case. But oh, guys, I'm so appreciative of my friends. I feel like I don't even have words to I don't have words to express it. Even today, this was a gift from Kim. I also want to show you some cute little clothes that Sisity bought for me. Like, everything has been so cute and so scrumptious, and honestly, I can't stop being thankful for the female friends I have. All of them, like Homozo, Kim, Gugu, Sesetu, Babala, like everyone has been so amazing, guys. And honestly, I cannot. Guys, I actually wanted to put you on a AHA. I'm currently using this Ren one. I got the small one. I think this is the travel size. I'm hoping that I get one from the facial I'm going to do this coming week. I'm going for a facial with Environ, and hopefully they also have a really good one that maybe I can have a second one to reference. It's a toner. Oh, it's strong. It burns, guys. It actually burns. I usually wet my cotton wool. I wet my cotton wool before applying it because wow, it's so strong. But guys, it's actually quite good. I'm enjoying it. I love it, and I feel like if you really wanna combat any texture that you have on your face, this is the thing for you. It's strong, but guys, like, it's really strong. I don't know how to explain it. So you either dilute it with water, and I think that's the best way to do it because whew, it's strong. I don't even have a skincare routine, honestly, guys. I'm just using the products that I have right now. Like, I don't have like a skincare routine on lock, really. I'm just using the products that I have, and I mean, I'm not unhappy with. I'm happy with everything. Where is the moisturizer that I had? I'm coming, guys. Oh, there. I'm finishing this off. This was from my December campaign with Enviro. It's a night cream. Oh, this thing is good, but it's good. It really is good. I suffer a lot from what you call it? From scaly dry skin, and it really, oh, why is this burning me? Oh, it's also an HA. Oh, Sana Ziyakhala. Ziyakhala, that's one thing I can tell you. But I know that I'm in good hands, honestly. I love all these products. It's just not my pocket set. It's not my set skincare routine. I'm also using these little oil capsules that I got also from Environ. Oh, I'm feeling so sick. Guys, I've been so sick. And I know you guys are dragging me for being sick, which is not funny, honestly, because I could have been dealing with something else besides being pregnant. Like, I could have been actually sick, like really sick. And someone's like, oh, she's always sick. I'm just like, imagine me bullying you for being always sick. Like, that is so nasty. But anyway, I'm not here to try to understand what goes on in other people's minds, honestly. But yeah, I'm using this oil thing from it's also from Environ. Hopefully it shoots. This is so good. What is this thing called? Oh, hydrating oil capsules. Too good. Oh, it's like giving glazed donuts. Guys, before I go and indulge you guys in what I got up to with my friends, let me show you the cute stuff that Sisatu bought me. Oh, she bought me these. Oh my god, there's lights here. I hope you can see this. But she got me these little sets from Keto. They're very neutral. This is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I have to use this light because now I'm obsessed with it. But this cute little romper, it's like nude. And then, oh guys, this is a lot actually. This is went all out. She also got me a teddy, but I can't find it. I don't know where my nanny put it, but you guys will see it. I mean, like, the baby's gonna be here. And then there's a full one. This is 3 to 6 months. Hopefully our baby is a little chubby, and she can fit in these. And also she bought these little ones. Let me see. Oh, this is also 3 to 6 months. It's a little set. Oh, this is cute. It's some pants and a top and a hat. Oh, this is so cute. And then also Gugu Babalo and Fumoto bought me a little gift card to go pamper myself, and you know I'm gonna do that. And Kim obviously surprised me with a photo shoot today. And what else? Oh, they also got me a cute dress that I'm gonna wear at the polo. Get yourself some friends. Get yourself some female friends that love you. But anyway, guys, it was so lovely finally coming out to being pregnant. So probably now I will be more consistent because there's nothing I'm hiding. I'm not stressing. I'm not. So let me go eat. I really wanted to edit this vlog. I'm tired, child. So I'll probably try editing it tomorrow. See you guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my Yellow's channel. I'm so happy to see you guys. We pulled it off on Salayo.
Oh, you guys are such skeletons.
In fact, you must extend your pregnancy.
Really? Guys, this is so pretty. All my friends surprised me.
Even the one you thought it is
Literally, I literally thought Susette is like not my friend anymore. She doesn't talk to me. And I'm like, why is Susette not talking to me? There must be something I did to her. Oh, guys, you guys are so cute.
Happy birthday, friend.